No, I already did that video. Nah, I already did that video. Oh, I'm recording. Anyways, hey guys, this video is gonna be about what I do when I am clueless, when I don't have any video idea whatsoever. How do I get these video ideas? Well, in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how I'm gonna do that. So this video is kind of more for you creators out there, video creators out there. So the truth is, usually when it comes to deadline that I have to record a video, usually I record my videos on Thursday, which I kind of want to, well, dial down to maybe Wednesday even, and so I have more time to edit. But by the way, it's Friday today and Saturday. Tomorrow is the deadline. So usually I have to create something. So usually I ask people around in the group chat of Facebook where I'm in, so what do you guys want to know about photography and all that? But usually they kind of say video ideas that I already have on my channel or that are kind of outside of my knowledge, I guess you can say. So I'm still only I'm a little bit better than a beginner photographer. So yeah, usually they say video ideas that I already have on my channel or that is kind of hard for me, so I try to make it happen because I do research and all that stuff. So yeah, anyways, this is what I kind of do. So sometimes video ideas just pop in my mind and I write them down, and yeah, the next week I have a video. But most of the time that doesn't happen like that at all. Usually it doesn't. Usually I have to think about it, like literally sit in a quiet place. And do you guys know where that quiet place is for me? It's the shower. Ooh, good video ideas come from the shower actually with me. So for me, it's the shower. For everybody else, it's different. But sometimes they don't even pop up in the shower. Now that's crazy. So then this is another thing that I usually do is I look at Facebook and I ask around on Facebook, my friends, sometimes even my mom, usually my mom. But yeah, anyways, sometimes I go to Facebook groups and I ask around, what do you want to know about photography or videography? Usually they mention something about photography. Yes, because photography videos are easier to make for me than videography videos, because I'm just on my mobile phone and then they ask how to get some stable footage or something like that on a non-stabilized phone or something like that, which is pretty much impossible unless you have a tripod and a towel. Now that is a video idea that I will make in the future, how you can create nice smooth b-roll with a towel. I'll show you guys that maybe next week or something like that. So as you see, there is another video idea. I talk to myself, and that's also how I get video ideas. But usually they don't come like that. Usually I ask around what people want and then I try to make that happen. Those are the easiest ways to get video ideas. So this is kind of like a big rant about video ideas, but still. If you guys are struggling with that, well, these are the tips that I have for you, which I'm gonna start right now. So tip number 1, if a video idea comes to your mind, don't just keep it there, write it down on your phone or on a piece of paper or anything where you can see or come back wherever you know where you left that. So if you get a video idea, write it down always. Don't be lazy, just write it down always. If you are in a car with somebody else, then tell your person that is with you, your friend, your partner, whatever, to ask to grab your phone, write down the video idea, and then done. It's saved. That is tip number 1. Tip number 2 is, for me, talk to yourself. That way you kind of start a discussion with yourself. It might be kind of crazy. I don't do this outside. I only do this when I'm alone. Like in this room, I'm alone. So usually that's when that starts happening. And then, for example, I talk about video ideas and then I think of a really great video idea. So I write that one down as well. And usually I also get them in the shower, just singing a song, and then all of a sudden, boom, video idea. That actually usually happens. I don't know why the showers really work for me. So when I am usually clueless, I take a shower. Showers just are nice, They wake you up when you're tired. They clean you, and they give you video ideas. So I love showers in 3 ways. And the fourth tip I have for you is ask around. Seriously, asking people what they want to see, you'll be surprised on how easy those videos sometimes can be. Most of them are a little bit hard, but you take the easiest one, you see, then usually easy videos are really nice to make. They're easy to make, so they're like maybe 20 minutes of recording, about another 40 minutes of editing, maybe an hour of editing, and they're done. You upload them, they're done. It's really that easy. So usually asking around really helps you, and that is the biggest tip I have for you guys. Just ask the people in your group, the people that are around you, like your friends, your family, anybody, like what they want to see from you, you know, like it'll help you get your channel up and running a lot faster. And if asking around does not work at all, then, well, this is what I do. I go on YouTube itself, and then I kind of look at photography or something like that, because my channel is based on photography. So usually I just look up photography videos, and when I see a video that I really liked, I try to recreate that. It's kind of on the same topic, but I create it in my own way. I don't copy him, I create it in my own way. So it's kind of like I got a video idea from him and from that person, and then I recreate that video so people see me instead of that person. Never ever copy a person, but take inspiration of another person. That is what I do a lot as well. Like the two major tips are asking and research. Research meaning YouTube, or sometimes even look up a Google article. Basically, top 10 things you need to know about photography. You can do that on Google, and then it'll give you a list. Then take that list and make it into a video. You already got the list, might as well make it into a video. Those videos do pretty well as well and all that. So I'm just saying, like, you gotta be creative. So think about video ideas. This video is kind of what I do about it, but for everybody else it's different on how they create. So on everybody else's, it's different on how they create their video ideas, everything. So this video was mainly about what I do when I look for a video idea. And for example, now it's Friday because I was busy the whole weekend. I was like, oh no, it's Friday already. So, well, actually Thursday evening, I was like, oh no, it's Thursday evening, and I still didn't make a video. Like, I was just way too busy this week, so I just couldn't figure out anything. So I decided to make this video because it was another video idea actually that I actually wrote down on Wednesday. So anyways, I hope this video was... So if you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, and if you want to see more videos, next week will be a photography video, I promise you that. So if you want to see more photography videos, then make sure to press the subscribe button down below, and also share the video if it was informative to you. Maybe it's also informative to your friends, your fellow YouTubers, maybe even in a group chat or anything. People might have something on this video. This is something that I've noticed. Like, I've sometimes wished that people made more of these videos because, well, I don't know what people do. So even, hey, hit me up on Discord, make a video like this. You can put this in private, maybe in anything on YouTube. Just publish it to YouTube and then join my Discord, which will be on the bottom of the description. Join my Discord. You can share your video there. I hope to see you guys there, see what your video ideas are. Just, please make a video like that. It will hopefully be nice to see what your guys' video ideas are, how you get your video ideas, and stuff like that. So I also want to learn more from you guys as you are learning from me. Anyways, I will see you in the next video, and I am out.